Everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you have ever wanted to save a voice message from Facebook Messenger, this video is for you. I will show you how to download those messages to your device easily. So start by opening Facebook Messenger in a web browser on your desktop. You can download voice messages directly from the mobile application. So using a browser is the best method. Navigate to the conversation that contains the voice message you want to download. Click on the message to bring up the media player. Right-click on the play button or the message itself and choose Save Audio As or Download Audio. Select a location on your computer to save the file and it will download as an MP4 or MP3 file. Now, if you need the file on your mobile device, you can transfer it via USB, email, or cloud storage. Once transferred, you can listen to the message anytime, even offline. And that is how you download voice messages from Facebook Messenger. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.